Stock number 19280, 2016 GMC Sierra 2500, 6.6 liter Duramax diesel.
It will have a front
end, missing a couple of fenders. Base model truck. So if you get the miles, I believe it's in the 60,000s. There were 69,193 miles.